Hi everyone. Today I will tell you a powerful AI tool I'm carrying together research at EN2H. So today I will doing something little different. Actually, I challenge a powerful AI tool. So I think would you like to know about that tools? Why it is different from others? Let's see. First and foremost, introduce this powerful AI tool. I like to share with my huge problem with you. I'm so struggle with this task. I will show you what is that. This is my task. You can show there are so many things I have to do, like clean and analyze the data set, remove duplicates, and analyze predicted images. Blah 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 blah. There are so many things I have to do this task. So I'm very confused and struggle with this. I manually tried this before. I use Python and collab power bi any other than and too many tools too much effects and the special one ways wouldn't go the way I wanted. So if you have any idea about how do these tasks all these tasks in one tools, yeah, don't worry, I found the solution. That one, first and foremost, I you can see that my tasks have a lot of things there, step by step we can get, and finally I have to downloadable report. So before this tool, I will show my task in the data set. You see there are so many data and raw data, and some are missing, and also it have a duplicate set like that. And these are the images I have to analysis. So I want to solve this matter with very quickly because I have no more time, and do I want to do this very correctly. So this is my powerful tool, that is the Manus AI. Manus AI is a new generation AI tool introduced by the Chinese startup. This is a super power tool, and it support any other input and output type like PNG, JPG like type, and CSV file, JPEG like any other file that you can try in there. And any other one is the this is run in the cloud. So no, don't worry about your data is run in cloud because they guaranteed that our data is in a security zone place, so you don't worry about that. And other thing is Manus AI is working as a team with the multiple agent like coding agent, debugging agent, visual agent. Like they work as a team with any other multiple agent. Like it's the other special one. And is the most important part is their benchmark. You show this chart. This is their Gaia benchmark. Gaia benchmark means how well our AI models performs well in real world problems. You can see Manus AI is in all the tasks in level 1, level 2, level 3. It means level 1 means a basic task. In their score is 86.5 score. Their high rating shows in the basic level task, and other one is the level 2 task. Some are more not complex more, but middle level complex problem they solves very well than compared with other AI models. And most complex tool, they also shows the high rating is 57 point. Now you can understand they have good accuracy result about it compared with others also. When I said that this is the most powerful AI tools I have ever tried, so then you move their pricing plan. You can ever try the free plan. In there you can get the 300 credits every day, and if you go and try out any other features, you have to try with their basic plan. So let's try and how Manus AI performs my task. Well, we check it. First, this is the interface you can see in there. First, I copy my task and then check. Okay, I copy and paste it. Let's see, you have Manus working. Then Manus, their planning agent is firstly, you see that step by step there. break down whole task and yeah, they will can after you reply. They also CSV data set. I upload it. Okay, the thinking also this the data set it have. I not clean it previously. You see, yeah, they are working because they clean this data set. You can see any other in the live in the Manus computers about what they did and cleaning and okay, they will set our images. I will upload also. Our visual agent is starting their work. They process the images. Like that, they one by one cleaning and handle and missing values. You can see in there their data processing system. The most important part is they break down all tasks like that step by step how they cleaning data set, clean data set, analyzing this look like that. Then there you can see always what they did in live. In my task set, first clean and correct and handle and then uh, predictive modeling medical images and then generating like that. So yeah, I can close my website. What do you think? All the missing no crashes in my dataset? What do you think? By full task would crash. Don't worry about that. If you suddenly close or not anything change, our Manus AI is still working and it yeah, it is all done by when we close in or shut down our browsers suddenly. They are still working, so you don't worry about that. You can see they completed our task very well. So let's see one by one how well they clean and completed our task. I will show you how their performance in there. Let's please see one by one. This is the slide I required. Wow, you can see all our analysis. This is their slide. They how they cleaning, how they handling, or then they get the graph about that. So we don't worry about what happened. You can see about that, and already they get visualizations too. So really impressive and clean and stylish slide you can get in there. And the most important part it is their medical images analysis. You can see that all images are analysis and they get the best result. Also, this provide a graph about that. And the forecast details are analysis. All are the analysis very well and give us a clear, impressive report about that. Then let's see other one is okay. This is their healthcare dashboard. Let's see how about that. And we are already have the medical image analysis report. You can download it anywhere you like, in our PDF, Google Drive, or Docs. I will download it PDF and show it to you. This is my medical analysis report they give by. Oh my god, they give also data set how cleaning, how processing, and images one by one they analysis and give a full report about the table. Very clean and clever. So what do you think about that Manus AI? It is super. I think you not any other guess. It is superpower. Yeah. This is our healthcare websites. Let's try it. Yeah, this is the website. You can see all in their total images analysis. All the CSV dataset are here. They analysis very well and give us the most important part in the few seconds. They give the fully website, fully reports, and they link the powerful dashboard with us. In there, in the medical images analysis section is already have, and they are already get categories that moderator like that, and they already predict you our details and give the next month hospital visit forecasting, predicted admissions, and they give also the graph about that details entire. And any other, we will see the full task report. You can also download it and show it. In the full report, all are in here what they did, how they plan task, how it cleaning, how it get, how they are predictive, and whenever they are all the details about dashboards, website, all are here in there. So it's so amazing. You, now you understand how very well this is Manus AI. Already are given that in the first is planning agent is the planning agent breakdown my prompt into structured tasks, and it like having an entire research tab in the one tool. So that's why I said you'd have to try it, and so no one can understand it, and it's a super cool tool. And then the visual agent is already starting my work and process the media images. Then they predict these images, and that then make a predictive model, forecast the 6 month hospital admission and next 6 months. So then give me a chart and all the reports. Very these reports are already stylish, clear, and high accuracy. So with just one prompt, no coding, no switching between tools, and just poor autonomous AI, I think. So this is not the end. Just this is the just a start, and then I will show you another features in Manus AI. That is my favorite feature. I will show it. And any other things you have in their visualizations part, you can get graph, slide, report, like anything you want that you see in this. Right. Now I will see my favorite part. This is the Manus playbook. Let's play with Manus. You can save it there. Many things have like a website builder, video generating, PDF translate, like what you want. Anything in this tab you can see. You can do it Manus AI easily. So we randomly select some features and test it. First I select the website builder. In there you can create a website in the few seconds. So I just teach you a trick about that. This is my favorite website. So I want to make a website like that website. So I right click and get the fully source code in this website, and I copy it and select it the Manus website. Then I said convert this website to travel website in my country. Mm, mm. So we will see how it performs well. Now you see this already. Okay, now we see how this is website is making. Yeah, you can see this is the website. It is sent to my favorite website, and oh my god, it's back in the few seconds. Very well site to see in there. You can already, if you don't like these colors or any other things, don't worry. You can edit it already in the checkout and in these features. You can edit this too. So you not worry about that, but it give the fully module. Anytime you can already change your name as well. Like that, you can do anything about in this feature. So with playbook, we try another method. With this much features, you can also like make a video generation in that. But in the video generation, it is only for the pre-users and the basic users, not to allocate the video generation. But anything tools like market research tool or translating, and other special one I like tool is the fact checker. In there you can when you do a research or anything, so you can see about you that the fact is right or wrong in that one. So let's try it. This is a fact checker. You can already import your details and check when in this one I will check it with my research. I doing another AI tool, so will we check it is wrong or right. Actually, my current plan is now over, but in that one, you can already, if you are still working, your plan is over. You don't worry about that. You can invite your friends and this copy, and you can also invite your friends and get 500 credits about that. So it's a very easy one. Hmm. And now you can understand what is the main in science, health, or data storytelling. This is the kind tool that will save you hours and make your work look better. So, and the best part is it's still in the beta. So, while you are in and just beginning that one, and you don't need to be a coder, and you don't need a five different tools, and you just need a Manus with and one right prompt. So, I will tell you that definitely will try it and found anything you want to it very few seconds. So this is the main features I will tell you. You can also try other features. This is I tell you the main things in try with Manu. So thank you for watching and see you next time.